My screen clearly now, Manoranjan? Is my screen is
Not,
clear now?
not yet. Yeah, it's uploading.
Now?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. So basically, we will start about the cyber security or like an ethical hacking. What is the purpose of the cyber security? Okay, why do we use the cyber security? See, a cyber security means where exactly a set of systems will try to communicate. Means like a data will be moved from one place to the other place. Whenever the data is getting moved, either it could be the mobile application, either it could be a system or on the cloud, data can be hacked. See, cyber means what? Where set of data will get interflow from one place to the other place. Okay. Security means how exactly we are trying to perform the security operation. Okay. In like a modern world, how exactly we'll try to avoid again this security attacks. Okay. So let's just see the introduction to where exactly the cyber security things will get happen. Where is the security issues will come. Okay. The security issues will mainly come by you can say as a problems. Security problems will mainly come from viruses, through hacker, through malware, or through Trojan horses, or through the password cracking. Okay. Now, if we move more further now, how exactly the attacks will happen? If you talk about the attacks, India is standing at number 10 spot in cyber crimes. Cyber crime is what? Attacking system, network, website, and mobile applications. Okay. Now, what do you mean by an ethical hacking? See, ethical hacking means a person who is trying to identify the weaknesses of system, network, website, and mobile application, and then he will try to avoid the issues, try to find the weaknesses, and then try to exploiting the weaknesses and resolving the issues. Ethical hacking is a person who do what? He will protect system, network, website, and mobile applications. Okay. Any question still here now? Manojan, any question still here now?
No, it's okay.
Now, who is hacker? Okay, hacker is a person who knows in and out. Hacker knows all the features. Okay, all hackers are not criminal. That's all depend upon the work. Okay, what is the main need of ethical hacking? You know what happened in 2014? 145 million data got lost. Customer data got lost in eBay way back in 2014 in US. What was the information got hacked? Customer name, password, email address, poster, all these details got hacked. You know, company was almost shut down for 6 months, and there was huge loss for the company. So, as an ethical hacker, what is our responsibility? Our responsibility is to protect against these attacks. Okay. Who is the ethical hacker? Ethical hacker is a person who knows in and out about the system, and he will try to resolve. See, what do you mean by like a vulnerability? Vulnerability means weaknesses. Okay. He will try to exploit and identify the weaknesses. Either it could be system, either it could be website, either it could be mobile applications. He will try to find out the weakness, and then he will try to resolve the issues. Okay. Now, once we move more further on to that one, once again, why do business need ethical hacker? What is the main purpose? See what exactly happening in the US. $25 billion annually getting spent only on banking sector, because data is getting hacked. Only on banking sector annually, government is spending how much? $25 billion. Why? Because data is keep on getting hacked. That is the reason why they are hiring what? They are hiring a security analyst. They are hiring an ethical hacker person to make sure whenever there was issues happen in those 4 terms, he should be able to find out the weakness and he should be able to resolve the issue. Okay. Now, if we move more further from there, what is the here? What is the see hacker types is different, hacker types are different. Okay, hacking is different, hacker is different. Let's just discuss about the hacker types. There are 3 types of hacker. Okay, white hat hacker, black hat hacker, and a gray hat hacker. What do you mean by like a white hat hacker? White hat hacker are not a criminals, they are a good person. Whenever there was issues happen in system, network, and website, they will try to find out and they will try to resolve. They will do what? They will do penetration testing continuously, and they will do what? Vulnerability assessment. Nothing but they will do testing, and they will try to do what? They will try to resolve the issue. Make sure your system, network, website, and mobile application should be in the proper condition. What do you mean by like a black hat hacker? Black hat hacker are like crackers. They will simply harm the system. They will go unauthorized access. They will simply damage the system. Why they will damage the system? Why they will hack the data? Suppose, for example, like a Coke company and a Pepsi company. If a Coke company get the complete information of a Pepsi company, what they will do? He can sell and he can earn the money in lakhs, right? Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes,
Manoranjan?
yes.
Similarly, grey hat hacker. Grey hat hacker is a combination of both. Combination of both means what? Black hat and a white hat hacker. Means, for example, if you're like a manager or like a CEO manager is giving you a task to complete the task in 10 days, but what exactly you're doing? Same task you're completing only in, same task, 2 days task you're completing in 30 days. You're unnecessarily making the system more damage, and then you're trying to resolve the issue. Nothing but you are playing two roles here. Are you getting now? Manoranjan? Grey hat
Yes, yes.
hacker is a combination of both. Simple task, 2 days work, he's making that work to do in 30 days. Okay. Now, what is the main advantage of ethical hacker? See, advantage means why should the company hire like ethical hacker? To safeguard their system, to safeguard their mobile applications, to safeguard their website, okay, to safeguard their network. Company why what exactly they will do? They will do adequate, perform the penetration testing continuously to make sure computer system should work smoothly. Computer, network, mobile applications should work smoothly. There should be no issues. How they will do the testing? That one will I will show you practically. Okay, that will be under the Kali Linux. I will show you exactly how we'll perform the penetration testing part. Okay, now what is the disadvantages? See, company people are trusting you, right? They are giving you servers, they are giving you a website, they are giving you all the different informations they are giving you, right? So what will be your responsibility? To make sure that you should obey the rules. You should not disobey the rules. Because if they are giving you their network, their website, their everything, you should not leak the data, right? You can sell the data. That is why nowadays what exactly is happening is as soon as you join the company, they are making you sign in a big document stating that you will not leak their confidential information. You will not do any privacy. You will not do any kind of attacks on that. You will try to make sure that you will make the data secure. If you do any kind of harmful need, then you should be able to pay the amount to the company. That is nothing but company CEO is managing trusting you and giving you all those things. Any questions still here now?
No, no.
Now, purpose of hacking. See, what is the not the ethical hacking? Hacking. Why this hacking activity will he perform? Why he will do those things? To earn more money, to just for a fun, to show off, to steal the information system, to damage system. That is why the hacker will do these things. Now, exactly what do you mean by hacking? Types of hacking. See, there are different types of hacking are there. Like a network hacking, ethical hacking, password hacking, miscellaneous hacking, red hat, and a blue hat hacker. These are types of hacking. What do you mean by like a network hacking? How network will get hacked? We'll see it practically by the different commands. How we'll gather the information, how we'll try to hack the network, we'll see it practically. So what do you mean by email hacking? How email can also get hacked? I will show you practically. Don't click any kind of link whichever shared. Be careful when you try to click the link because your complete system can get access to that. Okay. Password hacking. Make sure like a password hacking means what? Attacker will get your password. How that will get hacked? I will show you practically. Okay, because it's just like a demo. I will show you how the password can be cracked. Either it could be a system password, either it could be like a mobile password, either it could be like a website password, either it could be like a system, website, network, and mobile application password can be hacked. How it will hack? I will show you practically. Miscellaneous hacker. Okay, there are two types of miscellaneous hacker. Number one is red hat, other one is blue hat. What do you mean by a red hat hacker? Red hat hacker means in order to catch a criminals or a thief, government, like a policeman will become thief to catch the thief. Okay, policeman will become thief to catch a thief. Those people are called what? Red hat hacker. Blue hat hacker means, for example, new operating system is getting launched. For example, 2022, for example, they're trying to find out is there any weaknesses in that one or not. Okay. Any questions still here now? Manonjan, any questions?
No, I'm able to understand.
Now, see here, how exactly we are using the languages. See, every company will have their own short terms they will use, because as soon as you join in a company, they will use some short forms. Okay, so that you should be able to understand. That is in the security domain. They will tell some short forms. Number one short form is script kiddies. Okay, script kiddies means a person who doesn't know about hacking. Just only hook or fluke is simply entered. For example, I don't know how to hack. Simply just by I went to the Facebook account. Simply I am entering like a username and the password. Just a hook or fluke I simply entering inside. But I don't know anything. Just luckily I came into other people user ID and I can able to log in directly. That is called what? Script kiddies. A non-skilled person without knowledge, he just gain the access. Okay. Hackaways means what? Just by sending a social vertical messages on the phone or a website. Phreaker means what exactly means? Completely controlling a PC through your telephone. Trying to find a weaknesses of your system through a telephone is called phreaker. Identify what? Weaknesses in telephone. Instead of using the computer, we are using a telephone to find out the weakness of the system. Is called what? Phreaker. What do you mean by exploit? Okay, exploit means I told you vulnerability. What is vulnerability? Vulnerability means weaknesses. Trying to find the proof of the weaknesses is called what? Exploit. Any questions still here now?
No.
Now, what do you mean by a botnet? Okay, group of computers are being under the control and your owner doesn't know about it. 250 PCs are under the control and owner doesn't know about it. How he will perform that activity, how attacker can able to get the complete control, we'll see practically. We'll see how attacks will happen and then we'll see how we try to avoid again these attacks. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Rootkit. What do you mean by? I think rootkit means you know about like a basic of Linux, right? Getting an administrative access. Okay. Yeah. Once user get the administrative access, obviously he will get the child access, right?
Yes.
Getting a main administrative access, there is one software program which is used to gain the admin access. Obviously, once you gain the admin access, you can able to get the child access. So the rootkit is a type of a software or a program. Okay. What do you mean by spam? I think spam messages we used to continuously get it in our emails, right? It's like nothing but like an electronic message. Okay. Now, in order to secure our data, we have to maintain these 4 characteristics. What are those 4 characteristics? Confidentiality, availability, integrity, and authentication. What do you mean by confidentiality? See, confidentiality means always make sure there should be a proper encryption. I don't want anybody to open my, for example, this is the file. I don't want anybody to open my file. What is showing? Access denied. No one can able to open my file. Nothing but you maintaining what? You are maintaining encryption. I will show you when the chapter comes cryptography, how do we try to encrypt, how we try to decrypt, how we put the password to this file, either it could be Excel file, video, anything you can make it hide. Okay, you can make it hide, you can put them password, everything I'll show you. Okay, availability. What do you mean by availability? I told you eBay data got hacked, right? And these people have no backup also. Always make sure there should be a proper backup. Okay. Integrity. What do you mean by an integrity? Maintain correctness and accuracy of information. For example, I am working in a company and somebody wanted to use my payslip. Okay. Nowadays, what exactly is happening? If anyone, my payslip got onto a wrong people's hand also, for example, then if he enter, he will crack my password also, then it should show me an option of OTP on my phone. If he try to enter the password, directly will show the OTP. Once OTP is clear, then only it will letting you go and type the password. Otherwise, it is not letting you type any password. This is the concept of integrity. If you maintain a proper integrity,